Hey guys, welcome back to Lincoln MKX. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, here we will be working on Lincoln MKX guys, and we will show you how to remove or how to replace guys the center dash vents. If yours is broken, if they don't work guys, we'll explain how you need to remove them. Now we'll guys have all the tools and parts that we use guys listed in the description of the video below guys. Check out the links if you need anything, and also we'll have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel guys, like the video and leave a comment below guys, and let us know if you have any questions. So let's start on it now. So first step, okay, I'll show you what we're going to do. We're going to put the parking brake on, okay, like that. Next I'm going to turn ignition on. Okay, ignition is on, and we're going to press, okay, right here, the automatic transmission lever to neutral. That way guys, okay, we'll be able to remove a few trim pieces, and you'll see what I'm talking about in just a minute. I'll go ahead, turn it off now. Okay, we'll have some beeping because we have the doors open. It will stop any minute now. With a plastic prying tool guys, you can find in the description of the video below where we get our prying tools. We're going to go ahead, okay, and disconnect this one now. Okay, there is two more clips right here on the front. Okay, and that trim piece will come out. So get it out before you break it. Okay, and lift it up. Now let me explain to you guys where all the clips are. Let's flip it this way. Okay, you have 1, 2 that go right here. Then you have these two clips. Okay, those two go right there. And then you have the two on the front that go right here. And you can see how much coffee is in here guys. They spilled quite a bit of coffee here. So this piece is out of the way now. So once we remove guys the cup holders right here, this is your ashtray. Okay, and that compartment right here, that door often will go bad. We have two clips that we need to remove with a Phillips screwdriver guys. If you need to get the set that we use guys, it's an amazing set. Check it out, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. We'll share all that stuff guys, so if you need any tools or parts, it will be very convenient for you, okay, to see where to get them from. Okay, perfect. Now guys, here we have, okay, two clips right here that we'll need to pry, okay, with that tool, and hold that piece there. Okay, push that thing forward and remove that one. Okay, perfect. Now what we need to do guys, okay, we need to disconnect the cigarette lighter cable. Okay, that's the only thing that we have now that's holding, and we'll be able, okay, to pull that piece out. So let's see how exactly we'll get that thing out. Sometimes, okay, those things they get stuck pretty bad if you haven't removed it for a while. Right here guys on the back side, okay, you have one thing that you need to press in. If it doesn't want to go in, push the cable all the way in, then press right here and pull it out. Okay, this is the clip guys, okay, right here. And you can see that ashtray assembly came out of the way as well. Next guys, I'll go ahead, turn the ignition off. Okay, we can go ahead and put it in park and pull the key out. Make sure that that way is off. If we can pull it out, okay, we're going to move it again, but I just want to have the ignition off because when disconnecting the wire, it's important to have your ignition off guys. So once we remove the trim bezel piece, okay, I'm going to explain to you where all the different wires are, okay, and all the different clips. Right here guys, we have two switches. This one, okay, from the side you push and you pull it out. This one is the same way. Okay, check it out now, right here. And then you have the two on the back. There is a tooth that you press in, here in the middle. Okay, and then you just twist it like that and it comes out. One more on this side, same thing, and now we have one more. Okay, now that's it, and you can see that piece came out of here just like that. So with that whole piece out of the way now, okay, this is your vents guys, okay, right here. So we'll show you guys how to remove and replace them. People often will break them and you don't have to replace the whole thing, you just replace the vents. you have 4 little tabs that you need to stretch a little bit, okay, and pry on it a little bit up. Just careful not to break them. And you have 4 more. Okay, they backed up. It came out. I just tilted it a little bit and it came out. And this is, guys, okay, your vents. Okay, let me show you again where the clips are. Okay, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. And here you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 8 clips. And this is the whole assembly. Now, if you need to replace it, guys, or if you need to buy a new one, okay, you can find. We'll try to share the link in the description of the video below. So that's how you guys remove it. Putting it together, guys, it's in reverse order. We took it apart. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.